this whole show thing is kinda cool, don't you think?
The creator of the show didn't import a bruh sound effect, so I gotta say,
Suck my tiny dick! Eat a bag of shit!
Alright, contestants, it's time for elimination.
What if I don't want to do eradication?
Elimination. Anyway, play the intro.
It's pie or die.
Welcome to Pie or Die, the game show where you either get pie or you fucking die. It's time to display the votes. Water, you are eliminated. What should the challenge be today?
I'm a professional jewel collector and I stand by that.
That's the challenge. Whoever finds the jewel first wins.
Oh, really?
Wow, that was really dramatic and quick. Anyway, team
Stupid.
won, so team
I'm best friends with my own front door.
is up for elimination. Viewers, vote in the comments below with a letter in square brackets on who you would be eliminated.